Today I'm going to show you how to make crumpled microfiber towel mock-up in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar and click and drag over the towel to select it. Now press Ctrl-J to cut the towel from its background. Then right-click on it and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Image, Adjustments, and open Levels. Drag the top left slider to the right, and you can also drag the right slider to the left to add contrast. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll make the radius 8 pixels. To save it to your folder, just go to File and click on Save As I'm going to name this displacement. And from this drop-down menu, choose PSD file format. Then press Save. Now delete this Smart Filters. Then from the toolbar, select the Rectangle tool and click and drag to draw a rectangle. Decrease opacity to around 40%. Right-click of this shape layer and convert it to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T to free transform. Right-click and choose the Distort. Now use these corner handles to distort the shape and match it to your towels. Press Enter on your keyboard. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Double-click on this and rename it Add Image. Now double-click the thumbnail to place your pattern. Just go to the file, place Embedded, and place your second image. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. From File, choose Save. And then close the document. Now go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. I'll make the horizontal and vertical scale 50. The displacement map stretch to fit. And the undefined areas wrap around. Then press OK. Open your displacement PSD file that you saved earlier. And change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. Then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.